What is up, y'all? We're back with another trade recap. Today is Friday, October 17th, the end to a great week. We did go 5-0 this week. We took no losses. And yeah, let's get to it. So, coming into today, I did tell the Discord members I was very bullish. And the reason for that, obviously my daily bias was bullish, but my reasoning for that, if you go on the 4-hour, always start on the higher time frame. We've kind of have been trading in this range. Some people might not trade this, some people might not look like the way it looks. I mean, it does look kind of ugly on the 4-hour, but we don't trade the 4-hour. So, but yeah, so coming into market open, you can see we did take out these lows right here. So pretty much market moves to either sweep out liquidity or rebalance in the fair value gaps. So in this case, you can see we took out these lows right here. We start coming up. We have a 4-hour right here. Let me mark it out for you guys so you guys can see better. We have a 4-hour fair value gap right there. Oh, and let me mark out market open, 8 o'clock. Alright, so yeah, so we swept out those lows that I had just showed you guys on the 4-hour. Boom. We have all these 1-hour bears that are getting disrespected. So therefore, I'm bullish, you know. We took out lows and we're disrespecting bearish 1-hour fair value gaps. And then our indicator, let's mark out. So you can also see coming into market open, we have Asia high open. Where's our Asia high? That's pretty much it. And London, yeah, we do have London low down here. So yeah, let's get rid of that. So yeah, coming into market open now on the 1-hour, like I said, we took out these lows to the left of us. We are disrespecting bearish fair value gaps. If we were bearish and wanted to go lower, we should be holding these fair value gaps right here. These 1-hour fair value gaps should be getting held. So boom, coming into market open. Market opened at 8:30. Boom. Okay. So yeah, so market. Oh, we also have this 1-hour bullish. See the market is very Let me mark this out. The market is very practical. So see how we're disrespecting these 1-hour bears, and we created a 1-hour bullish. And we have Asia highs open and a 4-hour. That's why my daily bias was very bullish, and I was very bullish coming into today. So yeah, so coming into market open, we can, I guess, drop down to the 5-minute. Market opens, we do sweep out these internals. I thought we were going to take out Asia high. I thought we were going to take out my target with this move up right here. Let me zoom in. I thought we were going to take out my target with this move up here. So if price did the way it came up and did take out Asia high, I would no longer be looking for longs. Why? Because my target, what I am looking for, had gotten taken out already. But in this case, we didn't. We do tap the 1-hour. We start moving up. Take internal, which is this move. Internal, this is more of our external. So we take out internal. And what do? We start coming back down. So as we start coming back down, now I can really look for longs, because usually before the market goes up, we need to move lower to manipulate and stop these other traders out. So boom, we take out this sell side at the lows. Boom, take out this liquidity down here. Now we can look for longs and see how, especially now that we still have Asia high open, we did not take out Asia high with this move up. We only took out internal, which that's fine. That was not my target. This was my target. So therefore, we take out these lows. Now I can start looking for longs. And what do I always say? So the leg that came here to tap this 1-hour, the highest time frame fair value gap from the 1 to the 5-minute. I always say that. So 5-minute, you can see this leg, which is 535 to 540. There's nothing on this leg, right? So you go to the 5, 3, 2-minute, and 1 minute, and you see which one has a fair value gap. But always take the highest time frame one, but only from the 1 to the 5. So you go down to the 3 minute. Boom, what do we see here? We have a 3 minute right here. Let me mark it in blue for you guys. Boom. We have a 3 minute. And why are we using this one? Because it is the highest time frame from the 1 to the 5 fair value gap in this leg. And I'm gonna mark the leg out for you guys so you guys can really see. Boom. This is the leg this is the leg I'm talking about. This leg right here coming down that tapped again to the 1 hour and also took out these lows. This is the leg. So from here on, I am looking for longs. I don't want to take anything on the 1 minute. Although yes, you could. There is this 1 minute that we inverse, and yes, you could have gotten in, caught even more. But with my I guess you can say with my strategy or with my edge, I always take the higher time frame. So in this case, it was a 3 minute. So yeah, so then we start coming back up. Nice V-shaped recovery off this 1 hour after sweeping out these internal lows. We inverse this. We inverse this this 3 minute. So as soon as we inverse it, that's when I take my entry. Like I always say, 25 to 30 stop loss. I think I had it at 30 points today. And yeah, we target Asia highs. Boom, it's a nice 1, almost 2, 51 points. And yeah, and then like I always do this. I always go break even at the high of the leg. Once again, I have the high and the low of this leg circled for you guys so you guys can visually see it. So the high of this leg, which is obviously right here, I have it marked out. That's the high of the leg. That's where I go break even. Break even. Center. Boom. And I took out all my full position at Asia highs, but I did tell the Discord members to hold at least a runner to this 4 hour, which obviously we ended up pumping and taking it out. You could have caught an extra, it's an extra 35 points to the upside. But yeah, this is my trade for today, and this is literally all you need. All you need. Liquidity sweep, look for the highest time frame fair value gap, take the inversion, or if we come into whatever fair value gap, whether it's the 15 minute, the hourly, the 4 hour, whatever the case is, take the inverse. And yeah, so we took longs, went break even at the high of the leg. Boom, my target got hit. I got out with my full position. You could have left the run into the 4 hour. And that's as simple as I can break it down. It's pretty much the trade for today. It's the only thing I took. It's the only thing the Discord took. Yeah, it was a great week this week. So hope to bring that into the following week, next week. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week.